Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be moving this backhoe, and I'm going to share a little clip of it with y'all. And I'm going to let you see how he shuts the ramps on his heavy-duty trailer without any help. And he's going to also be doing some sharpening today of some saw blades and a knife, and I'm going to share those too. Let's get started. This is the trailer we're going to be loading the backhoe on. He actually redone this floor. It was in bad shape, and it looks a lot better now. But this is the trailer we'll be pulling it up on and moving it. Now right here are the ramps. Look how heavy those suckers are. There's no way he can pull those up on his own. It would even be hard with two grown men probably. But in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how he loads his backhoe and he shuts these without any help. Okay y'all, he got it moved, and now we're going to be sharpening the blades. So I'm going to share how he sharpens his saw blades to do some weed eating with, and his knife. He's had this sharpener for a long time, and it still works. It sharpened this blade real good. And now that he's got his blade done, he's going to sharpen his pocket knife. Okay, y'all, we're done for today. Thanks for watching. And if you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.